Borda update. Congrats sa Borda. Kila Barbie Cortez at David Licao. Yung bago nilang endorsement na Vitamil. Time to load up with Borda. Sa mga nanalo ng ticket na movie ni Barbie. P77. Mamayang 4 PM sa SM Podium. Sabi nito, get ready, may pagbadago lang with Borda. We tried to welcome Barbie Cortez at David Licao as the newest members of Vitamil family. Post ng Sparkle. Congrats din sa Borda. Nakalikom naman na 1,000 ang Borda Fans Club at dinonate sa Save the Children Philippines kung saan ambassador ang Borda, Dabi talaga yun
Kasi sa totoo lang mahihain ako, maniwala man kayo sa hindi.
One thing I learned about myself since becoming a kapuso is that,
Friendly pala ako. Kasi sa totoo lang mahihain ako, maniwala man kayo sa hindi. So parang nadadala ng pagiging kapuso ko na maging friendly to everyone, to greet everyone, diba? To smile at everyone. So, yun.
So that you can reach
David naman.
any goal as long as you put your heart and your mind into it. It was never my dream, or no one really thought na I would become an actor. So, because of persistence and hard work, I'm here now. Of course, with the help of GMA, Sparkle, diba? So, yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is with Charlie Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.